Mixing saffron with flaxseed creates a healthful blend, leveraging the unique properties of both ingredients for enhanced benefits. Here are 5 key benefits of this combination. 1. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Flax seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, while saffron is rich in antioxidants. 2. Supports digestive health. Flax seeds are high in fiber, aiding in digestion and preventing constipation. 3. Mood enhancement. Saffron is known for its mood-boosting properties and has been traditionally used to help alleviate symptoms of depression. 4. Promotes healthy skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of saffron, coupled with the healthy fats in flax seeds, can promote skin health. 5. Cardiovascular benefits. The blend of flaxseed and saffron can be particularly beneficial for heart health. Flax seeds help in lowering cholesterol levels and improving blood pressure.